Good evening, everyone. I hope that you are well and you will bear with me in terms of the video quality because we are experiencing a blackout in the area. But I'm using candles, in case Edison doesn't arrive. Tonight, I would like to speak about what President Jacob Zuma has always been raising about the conflict of interest in the judiciary, saying that when his cases go to the North Gauteng High Court, which is in Pretoria, he always loses. And of course, we should not question the judges, but that judge looks like he comes from the Ramaphosa family if you just look at him. So that might be a conflict of interest if that is the case. I'm not saying it is the case, it might just be a type and not a family member. And of course, for legal scholars, he raises questions because if the courts are biased against him in the specific court in Gauteng, in North Gauteng, then can we not make an argument to say there are power dynamics at play where the court is in close proximity to, I almost said the White House, to the union buildings, meaning that the people in the union buildings have more power and also they have more access to state lawyers who are paid by the state to work legal cases for the departments, or for the presidency. So it might be that it might be that Jacob Zuma is fighting with his own resources, but the state is fighting with state resources. And also the judiciary might also be aware of the power of the states in reality because it is also the state which appoints judges because they have to sit in front of politicians and account, for what they've done in their judicial careers in order to earn a promotion to the next rank within the judicial system. Thank you very much and good night.